Hi students, in this video we are going to see a contraction. Contraction is a word made by shortening and combining two words. It's a word made by shortening and combining two words. That means it's a shortened form of a word that omits certain letters or sound. It's a shortened form of a word that omits certain letters or sounds. दो वर्ड्स और दो से अधिक वर्ड्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके मिला करके एक सिंगल वर्ड बना देने को कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कहते हैं. Dear students, we insert an apostrophe where one or more letters are missing. We insert an apostrophe where one or more letters are missing. That means in most contractions, an apostrophe represents the missing letters. Do you know what is apostrophe? It is called apostrophe. It's a symbol of apostrophe. Dear students, so the most common contractions are made up of verbs, auxiliaries or modals. See, where do we keep that apostrophe? Where we leave one or more letters, there we put apostrophe. You have to remember that where we leave one or more letters, there we put apostrophe. So once more, contraction is a one word made from two words. A contraction is one word made from two words. The first word usually stays the same. The first word usually stays the same. And certain letters are taken out of the second word. An apostrophe will fill the space of the missing letters. For example, is not. These are the two words. So, is and not मिला करके एक single word बनाते, that is isn't. It is called contraction. Is plus not, isn't. It is a contraction. Dear students, we can see some more examples. He is or he has. It's a shortened form, contraction. He is, he will, he, how would, how, I am, I had, I'd, I have, I will, I would, I'd, it is, it's, is not, isn't. That is or that has. That's. There is or there has. Thus. There would. That. They are. There. They had or they would. They'd. They have. They will. They was not, wasn't. We are, were. Need not, needn't. Shall not, shan't. She had or she would. She'd. She is or she has. She's. She will. She'll. Should not, shouldn't. Next we can see some examples in sentence. First one, I am. It is the contraction word I. In sentence, I am doing my work. This one, you are. Contraction word your. You are my good friend. Yes, he is. Contraction word his. He is very smart. Next, what is? Contraction word what's. What's the matter? Yes, there is. Contraction word was. Was my cat. Next, who is? Contraction word whose. Who's there? Yes, are not. Contraction word aren't. We aren't going to play. Next, is not. Contraction word isn't. He isn't singing. Yes, were not. Weren't. Contraction word weren't. They weren't shouting. Yes, was not. Contraction word wasn't. She wasn't happy. Next, does not. Contraction word doesn't. He doesn't play cricket. Yes, do not. Don't. Contraction word don't. I don't like you. Yes, did not. Didn't. Contraction word didn't. I didn't know that. Yes, cannot. Contraction word can't. I can't understand. I can't understand your language. Yes, could not. Contraction word couldn't. Could not, couldn't. We couldn't win the match. Yes, should not. Contraction word shouldn't. We shouldn't make a noise. Yes, he will. He'll. He'll drink his milk. She will. Contraction word she'll. She'll cook food. Yes, they will. Contraction word they'll. They'll decorate the house. Yes, I have. I. Contraction word I. I've taken my lunch. Yes, you have. Contraction word you. You have started working harder. Yes, will not. Contraction word won't. I won't go for vacation. Yes, would not. Contraction word wouldn't. I wouldn't ask anything. Yes, has not. Contraction word hasn't. She hasn't finished her homework. Yes, have not. Contraction word haven't. We haven't completed our work. Yes, had not. Contraction word hadn't. I hadn't thought of that. Yes, might not. Mightn't. I wasn't if he mightn't be right. Yes, must not. Contraction word mustn't. You mustn't worry too much about this. Dear students, I hope you all have understood what is contraction. Contraction is a word made by shortening and combining two words. That means it's a shortened form of a word that omits certain letters or sounds. So we insert an apostrophe where one or more letters are missing. So it's a shortened form of a word. Have a nice day. Thank you.